Alright guys, here's another quick lick we're going to do. First we're going to do it with our right hand, but the real purpose of this video is to learn it with our left. So you've probably heard it before. Right, so we're basically just doing F altered, resolving to B flat major. This is an example of a lick that's really not too hard to finger with the left hand. So we want to try to be able to absorb some of our right hand's licks into our left hand. Of course, one of the best ways of doing this is to simply practice improvisation with both hands together and work out the fingering as you start to stumble, okay? So this lick, pretty easy with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Easy, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then at the end we do 4, 5, okay? Okay? Cool guys, so I want you to work on that, have fun with it. It's just a quick little thing that you can do to help strengthen your left hand. So for any questions, jazzpianoconcepts@gmail.com. And if you want more quick, concise, interesting videos about jazz piano, jazzpianoconcepts.com. Cheers guys, good luck, keep up the good work.